The next topic, orthogonal vectors. The word orthogonal means perpendicular, so we're going to say that by definition, we're going to say that two non-zero vectors are orthogonal Orthogonal means perpendicular to each other, basically. If the angle between them, if the angle between the vectors equals pi over 2 or 90 degrees. Okay, so the statement will be the following. This is a corollary of what we did before, or we can write A dot B. Remember, A dot B is A, B cosine theta, but cosine of pi over 2 is 0. So we're going to say A dot B equals 0 if and only if. I'm sure by now you saw this statement IFF, meaning that you can flip the order. You can change antecedent and what's the other word I'm looking for? Precedent or cause and effect. So if A dot B equals 0, then theta equals pi over 2. Theta is the angle between the vectors. Or if theta equals pi over 2, then A dot B equals 0. That's the meaning of if and only if. All right? Here's a little note. The 0 vector is orthogonal to all vectors, to all non-zero vectors, of course. So having introduced this concept, let's have another example. In example 4, we need to show that two vectors are orthogonal. So the 2i plus 2j minus k and 5i minus 4j plus 2k Okay, the solution, pretty straightforward. All we need to do is dot product these two. So So we have 10 minus 8 minus 2, so all of it is okay, so this is it. That was a quick one. Questions? So I have additional notes on the dot product. So let me write additional note. Okay, we're going to say that the dot product A dot B is, and we have three cases. we're going to say that it's positive if, well, think about it. The dot product has cosine theta, so it's positive when theta is between an angle between 0 and pi over 2. But what does it mean practically speaking? They both point in the same direction, right? That's what it means that you have an acute angle between two vectors. So we're going to say that if A and B point in the same direction, so in the same general direction, because they're not exactly parallel. Okay, so how are we going to deal with the negative? Right, in the general, let's see if I can word it, point. Can I say in the general opposite direction? I think so. If not, you know what I mean. So you'll work on the English part, okay? And of course, 0 if they're orthogonal. And I can write it like so, if vector A perpendicular to vector B. Okay, so somebody asked me earlier a question about that, and I told you we're going to deal with it toward the end. And it's now.